equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. You'll also need a clean workspace to keep everything organized. Start by unplugging your Dyson V11 and removing the dustbin. This will give you better access to the motor compartment. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the back of the vacuum. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the back cover off. Be cautious as there may be some clips holding it in place. If you encounter resistance, check for any remaining screws. After the cover is off, you will see the motor assembly. Now, it's time to disconnect the motor. Carefully unplug the motor connector from the main circuit board. You may need to use the flathead screwdriver to gently pry it loose. Remember to take note of how the wires are connected, as you will need to replicate this when installing the new motor. Next, remove the screws securing the motor in place. There are usually 2 or 3 screws that hold the motor assembly. Once these are out, you can lift the motor out of the housing. Before installing the new motor, take a moment to clean the internal components of your Dyson V11. Use a soft brush or a cloth to remove any dust and debris. This will help improve the performance of your vacuum. If you're unsure about doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, take your new motor and place it into the housing. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure it's firmly in place before reconnecting the motor connector to the circuit board. Once everything is connected, replace the back cover of the vacuum. Ensure all clips are secured and that you've replaced all screws. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. Finally, plug in your Dyson V11 and test it to ensure everything is working correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the motor in your Dyson V11. Enjoy your clean home with your newly functioning vacuum. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.